Y'all, I don't even know if this is gonna give what I needed to give today. The bang is popping, like it's giving glam right here. A little glam-ish right here. But then this side right here looking kind of low. Alright guys, so this is kind of like the finished look of this unit. I don't know what it's giving, but I hope it's giving something. Now, with this unit, when I saw it, when they sent me the picture, I was really like happy about getting the wig. Now, I did realize that the wig was a lot bulkier than I liked it. This unit is 8 inches long, guys, so it's 8 inches long all the way around. Obviously, you guys see it's a little bit shorter because I had to trim some of the hair down just because it was giving too much, guys. The density is a large density. It's 180% density. This is an ombre blonde. Now, one critique I would have to say is I wish that the entire back was blonde and then just the roots at the closure part, I mean the frontal part, was black ombre in. Just because if you go to the back and try to trim it up a little bit, you're gonna have like this choppy look in the back. So I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but I showed it to you guys previously before I did go ahead and customize it, because when it comes to units, you're gonna have to customize it. I didn't do anything as far as the bang area, guys. The bang area pretty much stayed the same on this unit. All I did was use my curler, my Hot Tools 1/4 inch curler, which you guys always ask me about. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. I used this one and just did some curls just to fluff everything up. So it's definitely a very sexy, sultry type of vibe, guys. Let me know what you think about it. As far as the styling purposes of this unit, I feel like just because it's short and because it was so much hair, it took forever for me to curl it. I wish I had a smaller flat iron because it would have been easier to pull through, but it definitely has a lot of bulk in the back of this one. I did adjust the straps on this unit. You guys saw that the unit landed perfectly ear to ear. I did not need to customize the ear tabs or anything, so that was great. So it fit my head perfect, and you guys know I'm a medium to average cap size, so everything was pretty good. But like I said, I wish that the back there wasn't that much hair. I feel like 180% density for this look is a little bit intense. I feel like 150% density would have been giving more of a natural flat, you know what I mean? It would have been flatter and natural. But other than that, guys, I feel like I styled it up the best way I can. I did go ahead and use my Ruby Woo lipstick from MAC. You know, it's a classic. give you guys like a little bit of a red lipstick and a small beat or whatever to kind of get the whole look, in a white shirt so you guys can kind of see the whole look or the aesthetics. But like I said, I think it's cute. I think in the natural color this will be nice with a smaller density. Even if they wanted to continue doing the blonde unit like this, I just wish that the back was blonde, fully blonde, and then that the rooting part was just rooted up here. So yeah, but other than that, it was a very easy install, guys. I literally only use my Even Wonder Lace to adhere this one down. I didn't do baby hairs just because that's just doing way too much. So I didn't do baby hairs or anything like that. So I basically just kept it very natural for you guys. As you guys can see, very simple and cute. You can go ahead and put like a little sideburns out if you want to, but I felt like that was, you know, that's not bad. It actually don't look that bad. Like a little sideburn out like that or whatever. So yeah, so I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from omgherhair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.